And then the lady was like, no, it's okay. It's okay, you can take them for free. We are tired of the ANC morning world from the high-rise buildings of Hong Kong. So yesterday we went to the Harbour Bay where we thought there would be the fireworks at 8 p.m. but turns out it's just lights that are dancing to some music. You know how at a club the DJ plays a song and then these lights and like all of that. Yeah, it's pretty much that, but that's in between buildings. I was really disappointed because we waited like an hour and we had been walking the whole day, so we were pretty much tired. But we'll be going down to Sai Kung, which is a more of a countryside vibe to it, and it's by the beach. So I'm gonna take a bus and go there. Hopefully it's not as populated as the Harbour Bay was yesterday, but let's go, let's see. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the beauty of solo travel. You can just stop anywhere you want, however long you want, at your discretion. That's the beauty of it. If you were in a group, this wouldn't have been possible, unfortunately, because it would be inconsiderate, because that was not on the itinerary. Anyway, I'm on my way to Sai Kung.
راه نمیفهمد که میرویش مرا برو
Reminded me of back home. You know, back home with a taxi where you would stand by the side of the road and you'd raise your hand for you to get a bus, to stop a taxi, and then also when you're inside for the taxi to stop, you just shout your next stop. Yeah, it's the same procedure. I felt like I could just get off and do that just to remind myself of home, I guess. But yeah, it was a pretty bumpy, rough ride. They are definitely the taxi drivers of Hong Kong, I swear. That's the bus I was taking, that type of a bus. Wow, is this made out of tire? This looks like it's made out of some thick rubber.
راه نمیفهمد که میرویش مرا بیا مرا بیا مرا بیا مرا بیا مرا بیا مرا بیا
Oh, you guys, so when I was getting these, right, they put it in the bag and I paid, and I saw these, which are like dried shrimp. I'm like, I want to try this. And then the lady was like, no, it's okay. It's okay, you can take them for free. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh, that is so sweet. This is dried shrimp. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's actual shrimp. There's actual shrimp on the thingy, on the dried biscuit or whatever it is. So I'm gonna try this and let you guys know how it is. I'm by the pier now, and yeah, there are a lot of boats here. People are just boating. It's a parking lot for boats, and they are in all shapes and sizes. Okay. This is an interesting taste. It's sweet, but the shrimp part is salty. So it's a mix of both. I'm not mad at it. It's interesting. It's actually not bad. It's like salty and sweet at the same time. what's this? I want to try the egg. I don't know which one it is because all of them look the same. So I'm gonna have to just wing it and hope it is the egg. Because there's dried egg. There's also the durian. Durian. I don't know. I don't know what a durian is. I'm guessing it's some fruit. I just saw it and I was like, oh, a durian? Let's eat a durian. Maybe it's, but they use British English, so I should probably know what a durian is, but I don't. Maybe it's a fruit that you can only find in Southeast Asia. Egg? I don't know what I'm eating. I can't taste the egg. I can't tell you if there's egg in this or it's the durian. I don't know what I'm eating. But it doesn't taste strange. So it's just food that you can eat. These real plants, they're fake. They're not actual plants. The interesting thing about Hong Kong is that all the land is government owned, except for the one bit which is the Catholic cathedral. So I'm guessing, given the British history or their history with the British, then there was some sort of deal with that Catholic cathedral. But all the land is government owned, and if you want land, you have to lease it from the government for a specific amount of time. EFF. EFF. But anyway, I hope you guys registered to vote. You must go vote. Even if you're not living in South Africa, I hope to vote because we are tired of the ANC. I am personally very tired and I will commit to voting. I did register to vote. So I will go all the way to Tokyo. So please, if you're in South Africa, you must be voting. We need that government out. Anyway, back to Sai Kung. Let's go.
I'm walking circles, stuck in the loop, a moving target, just hit me like a charm. And when I'm resting, I see them lurking, patiently waiting to hit me like a charm.
So at the pier here we have fishermen who have caught some things this morning and they are now selling it from their boats and customers are up here. So you call up there and then you choose and then he or she will bring it up to you. But look, clearly there's a ladder that they go up and talk to the customers on. But in there are different fish and seafood. But I swear this is the one thing I wanted to see when I came. When I decided I'm gonna come to Turkey. Guys, my mic's receiver just fell into the water. I can't use this without that. It just fell into the water as I was looking over the rail. It's gone and it's fucking new. Inside I want ice cream and beer. I come across a bakery. This is very common to come across bakeries in Hong Kong. And I found this Portuguese egg tart because of their history. There's a lot of Portuguese influence in the region, and Portuguese egg tarts are very, very common in Hong Kong. They are a local's favorite, so I'm having that.
The middle is like custard, and on the top it's like custard, and it has like that layer of custard. You know when custard dries and there's a top layer? It's quite good. And the crust is legit pie, like king pie. It's very flaky.
Thought you'd call, but you didn't, so I'm sitting here. Thought I heard my phone ring, but it disappeared. Guess I'm just losing my mind again. I tell myself